Horses out here, Highway Builder, past the begin, Gobilis, Donner inside, Quick Storm, Leopardo, Bullseye comes next, Sophia's Fortune, alam mo na yan, Lord Gold, and Best Strike is the early Twitter, Gobilis, Highway Builder, fighting it out for the lead, Quick Storm is racing in third, Bullseye, Leopardo in fifth, then comes Sophia's Fortune, alam mo na yan, Lord Gold, and Best Strike, Gobilis, Highway Builder fighting it out for the lead. Quick Storm now trying to get closer in third and followed by Bullseye in fourth. Leopardo, Sophia's Fortune. Alam mo na yan. Also moving up. And as they come down at the last 150, Gobilis, Highway Builder, and on the outside is Quick Storm. Quick Storm now moves up on the outside. Down on the inside, Gobilis, Highway Builder moving up. Leopardo in fourth. We have Quick Storm, Gobilis, Leopardo, Highway Builder, Quick Storm moving up, Gobilis, Leopardo, and finally it's Gobilis. Then comes number 7, Quick Storm, close, Highway Builder, Leopardo.
Tiyado pa ng konti ito.
Gobilis.
579, 3